All right, Ben, I'm going to give you video feedback on this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight where you analyze the text. Regret from the past will always stick with you, and sometimes things happen that will be heartbreaking. Okay, this is going to be what I'm looking for. He could not bear to see the cold glory of the crescent earth fade from the rocks around him. He was also worried on what would happen to his children's children and doesn't know if hope is worthwhile. So it looks like what you did is you used some evidence and then you added to it instead of explaining the evidence. That is more sophisticated than what you've been doing. Here we are. Then the great ships that were still waiting here on the silent, dusty plains could lift one more into space along the road that led home. This shows he is very sad and disappointed that he can't have the chance to go back home. That he can't have the chance to go back home, right? Because his children's children might be going. This will stick with him forever. All right, let's go back to what you said up top. Regret from the past will always stick with you, and sometimes things happen that will be heartbreaking. He was worried what would happen to his children's children, doesn't know if hope is worthwhile, could not bear to see the glory of the crescent earth fade from the rocks. I don't understand how you get he doesn't know if hope is worthwhile. But everything else seems to be understandable. You go in order. You go right back to your theme. So let's look at the rubric for this one. You describe the explicit for sure, but I can follow it. No, I do have to make some jumps because that one part, I don't understand how you got that part. But it's solid, and what I think makes it not proficient is that it's really short. I think if you had explained it a little bit more, so feel free to revise and then let me know you revised so I can give you more feedback on it, and we'll see if you can get up to that proficient level for now. This one is one of your strong ones, Ben. Thank you for sharing with me.